You don't have money and you're looking for true love. Even normal love, cause self. Love.
Don't laugh challenge. Let's go. Ooh. that was a good. How do you not laugh at this thing, man?
Oyimuwelu kene nwayo chọba ifeọma dịrị agwụ ezi nwanne m welu nwayo chọba m ifeọma dịrị agwụ na waiti ọ bụgodu na ọ bụrụ na waiti ifeọma dịrị agwụ ịmakwa na ifeọma dịrị agwụ bụ ma ncha dundundundundundun ka Chineke ka ifeọma na-abawanye mana ndugo imaka Chineke ka ifeọma na-aba ụba ifeọma dịrị agwụ. Who says that you are not going to make it? Abeg, wipe your tears, brother. Wipe your tears, sister.
Continue.
See, Egyptians you're singing today, you're going to see it no more. But see, the Bible makes us understand. You have to fight for it. You will not sleep. But before you go, let me tell you one thing. You are the best. You will definitely make it in this platform. And if you believe me, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel.
Apostle, we hear of this.
Just to do the right thing. Okay? Thank you so much. Bye.